In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create professional posters in Canva step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to choose the right size, use professional templates, structure your layout correctly, and export your poster in the highest quality for print or digital use. If you want to design posters that look clean, modern, and eye-catching, you're in the right place. And before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Canva tutorials just like this. Now, let's get started. The first step is starting with the right size. Open Canva and click on Create a Design in the top right corner. In the search bar, type Poster. Canva will show you standard poster sizes. If you're designing for print, choose common sizes like 18 by 24 inches or 24 by 36 inches. These are industry standard sizes and work great for professional printing. Choosing the correct dimensions at the beginning ensures your design won't lose quality later. If you're creating a poster for social media or digital display, you can also customize the dimensions, but for most professional results, stick to standard poster formats. Next, pick a professional template. Go to the left sidebar and click on Templates. In the search bar, try terms like modern poster, minimalist poster, event poster, or sale poster depending on your goal. Templates are incredibly powerful because they already have balanced spacing, strong typography, and a clean layout structure. Instead of starting from scratch, choose a template that matches your theme and customize it. Replace the text, change the colors, and swap images to fit your brand or event. This saves time and instantly makes your design look polished. Now let's talk about visual hierarchy, which is what separates amateur designs from professional ones. Your poster should clearly guide the viewer's eye. Start with a strong headline that is the largest text on the page. This is what grabs attention first. Then add a subheadline in a medium size to support the main message. Finally, include smaller details like date, location, or additional information. Make sure there is clear contrast between these text sizes. Avoid making everything the same size because that creates visual confusion. Clear structure equals professional design. Next, use high-quality images and improve your layout with shapes. If your template includes an image, click on it and replace it with a high-resolution photo from Canva's library or upload your own. Blurry images instantly make a poster look unprofessional. To improve layout, go to Elements and choose Shapes. Designers often use rectangles to create contrast blocks behind text, circles or lines for accents, and transparent overlays to make text easier to read. After adding a shape, adjust the transparency between 20 and 40% so it blends naturally into the design while still improving readability. To give your poster a premium look, add subtle effects. Click on any text, then select Effects in the top toolbar. Try options like Shadow, Lift, Glow, or Background Highlight. These effects help your text stand out, but use them carefully. The key is subtle enhancement, not overpowering decoration. Finally, when your design is complete, export it in the highest quality. Click Share, then Download. For printing, choose PDF print for the best resolution. For digital use, select PNG for the sharpest quality or JPEG for a smaller file size. And that's it. You now know how to create professional posters in Canva like a pro. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more Canva design guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.